Bitter gourd is quickly growing in popularity among health-conscious individuals all around the world. Although some individuals are quick to dismiss bitter gourd due to its strong and bitter taste, it can be used in a number of recipes and added to smoothies to obtain these benefits. It is a nutritional powerhouse, provides medicinal properties, and is a great immune system booster. Now, let's discuss some of the powerful health-promoting benefits of consuming bitter gourd regularly. First, bitter gourd is an amazing source of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients to promote our overall health. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, along with potassium, folate, vitamin A, zinc, and many others. Bitter gourd is very low in calories, while being a good source of dietary fiber, which makes it very nutrient-dense. Consuming bitter gourd can also help to maintain and promote heart health, while also reducing the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that it can help to lower bad LDL cholesterol levels in the body. Bitter gourd can also help to regulate blood pressure levels, often attributed to its great source of potassium. Its anti-inflammatory benefits are also helpful in this regard. Bitter gourd is also a tremendous food choice to naturally boost our immune system and prevent unwanted disease and viruses. This is because bitter gourd is packed with vitamin C and vitamin A, nutrients that are especially important for maintaining a strong immune system. The powerful antioxidants in it are also helpful in this regard, since they can reduce damaging free radicals in the body. Studies have shown that regular consumption of bitter gourd can help to promote the overall health of our skin and reduce age-related skin issues. This is because of the potent antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, vitamin C, and vitamin A that bitter gourd contains. These skin-healthy compounds can help to naturally prevent and reduce wrinkles and fine lines, while also reducing symptoms related to psoriasis and eczema. Lastly, regular consumption of bitter gourd can help to maintain healthy weight and proper weight management. This is because it is very low in calories, nutrient-dense, and packed with dietary fiber. Fiber can help to promote fullness and satiety, while also reducing snacking during the day and controlling blood sugar levels, which can help to lower sugar cravings. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.